Hey guys, it's Bregan and welcome to itson. In this particular episode, we are going to learn how exactly do we take user input in a Java program. That is, how do we take console input in a Java program. For this particular purpose, Java has dedicated classes, of which the simplest one is the scanner class. Now let's import the scanner class first. Now importing is actually a particular function via which you can include predefined classes in your program. Now scanner has been defined prior in the Java specification, so we just need to write import java.util.scanner. Now the structure of packages will be discussed later in this tutorial series. Now that we have imported the scanner, we now need to use it. We'll declare a scanner variable as scanner in equals, where in is the name of the variable and scanner is the particular class, equals new scanner system.in. Now the new keyword is used for defining objects of a particular type, and the system.in denotes the use of keyboard. Now we'll see how to take console input from the users in the form of some of the primary data types. To take integer as input from the users, we need to use the function in.nextInt. To take floating point data, we need to take in.nextFloat. For taking up double data, we need to write in.nextDouble. Now make sure that in is just a variable name. For any variable belonging to the scanner class, you have these functions nextInt, nextFloat, nextDouble. And for character purpose, for now I'll just write in.next, and for string, I'll write in.next. You might be wondering why have I written the exact same in both these cases, but actually when you write in.next, in default it takes a string variable. So if we need the character, a character is actually a string with only one character. So I'll just need to write in.next character at 0, that is the first and foremost character that is provided into the scanner. Now let's just put some print statements such that it is easier to understand what exactly is being printed. Now I'll just compile the program, javac program.for.java, then java program. Now if I press enter, this is a blank prompt. Now this prompt is waiting for me to input a number. In this particular case, it is expecting an integer, so I'll put an integer 68. It shows a is 68. Next I'll put a float 99.99. Then I'll put a double value, a bit larger one. Now this is using a scientific notation form. It is 1.2 into e7, that is exponentially, this is 10 to the power 7, the scientific notation in Java. Next I'll put a character w, d is w, and then I'll write a string. It is showing, hey, it's Bregan. So this is how you take console input in Java, and this is one of the fundamental characteristics you need to understand regarding Java, because later on we'll be using programs that use console input. So that'll be all for this episode.